Hey, how's it going? Abhijit here, and today in this video I'm gonna show you how to access the dark web. Also note that this video is strictly for educational purpose and I highly recommend you to not use the dark web. For those who don't know what does the term dark web means, it's actually that part of the internet which we never use and is approximately 96% of the internet, and we are legally allowed to use only the rest 4% of the internet, often called as the surface internet. Now what if I paste a link here? It shows that server IP address not found. And what if I paste the same link here? Yeah, it's working. So is it because of the .onion extension? Let's find out what it is. Okay, so the Wikipedia shows us that it's a specially used top-level domain suffix designating an anonymous hidden service reachable via the Tor network. But then again, what's a Tor network? Let's find out. Okay, so it's a software that helps you defend against traffic analysis and blah blah blah. Now let's head over to the Tor browser. As you can see on this website, it's showing all the things related to bitcoins like the transactions per day, market cap and hash rate. Fun fact, the price of one bitcoin today is $8,603.40. But then, where did I get this website from? Well, Tor Links has lots of websites mentioned under different categories like financial services, drugs and whatnot. Now take a look at this website. It's selling all kinds of drugs. And they have also listed their price here. Till now you might have learned that how dangerous it is to be on the dark web. Fun fact, Facebook also has a .onion website on the dark web. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thumbs if you like it and consider subscribing if you wanna see more such videos. See you guys the next time.